If you think standard vlogging cameras are a dying breed, you are not ready for what is about to hit the internet. A series of retail registry leaks, sensor supply chain allocations, and internal firmware leaks have officially exposed Nikon's most ambitious move for creators. The Nikon Z30 II. This is not just a minor body refresh or a simple software update to check a box. Nikon is quietly preparing to drop an absolute powerhouse built on professional cinematic architecture, designed to permanently bridge the gap between affordable run-and-gun gear and elite, $1,000 cinema rigs. For the past several years, the mid-tier creator camera landscape has been locked in a deeply frustrating cycle. Every major manufacturer followed the exact same formula: drop an ancient sensor into a plastic body, slap on a flip screen, and charge a premium while leaving creators to battle horrible rolling shutter, severe recording time limits, and autofocus systems that completely lose your eyes the moment you look away. True, mechanical hardware innovation in the sub-$1,000 category had hit a massive brick wall, leaving creators feeling forced to shoot on smartphones that compress their footage to death. But behind closed doors, Nikon realized that a safe, minor upgrade would no longer cut it. With the explosion of ultra-high-quality vertical video, live streaming, and cinematic travel vlogging, Nikon decided to throw out the old playbook. The concrete intelligence slipping past their strict factory security paints a picture of a hardware leap so radical that it has sent shockwaves through competitors like Sony and Canon. To understand why the Nikon Z30 II is causing absolute panic among rival brands, we have to look directly at the monumental technological shift happening at the absolute core of the camera. The debut of a brand new back-illuminated 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, paired with the ultra-powerful X7 processor. This is the exact same computational brain found in Nikon's flagship professional cinema cameras. To put that in perspective, moving a flagship processor down into a compact, creator-focused body is a massive engineering risk that completely alters how data is read off the sensor. The Z30 II does not just offer standard color profiles. It introduces a lightning-fast readout speed that practically eliminates the single biggest nightmare of compact cameras: rolling shutter. When you are panning quickly, tracking fast-moving action, or vlogging while walking down a busy street, the background will no longer warp, bend, or look like jelly. It delivers a rock-solid professional cinematic cadence that mimics true Hollywood cinema cameras. But the real secret weapon driving this sensor and processor pairing is the complete removal of the frustrating 30-minute recording limit. In the past, compact cameras would artificially cut your recording off, or pull a thermal shutdown, because their processors simply could not handle continuous data streams. The Nikon Z30 II breaks all previous boundaries by utilizing a completely redesigned internal thermal structure. By pairing the highly efficient architecture of the new processor with a copper alloy heat sink wrapped around the main board, the camera can dissipate intense heat directly through the chassis without needing a loud, battery-draining internal fan. This shatters traditional mobile restrictions, unlocking unlimited continuous recording in oversampled 4K resolution. Whether you are shooting a long-form podcast, capturing a live event for hours, or streaming directly to your audience, the performance remains buttery smooth and completely uncompromised.